We are continuing cloud deployment models. In previous two lectures, we discussed about private cloud and public cloud. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the next type of cloud deployment model, that is the hybrid cloud. So hybrid cloud, the name itself defining that it is a combination of one or more two type of clouds. So the cloud infrastructure is the type of cloud infrastructure of hybrid cloud is basically a combination of two or more clouds. Two or more clouds, and these may be the combination of private cloud, public cloud, or the community cloud. It may possible that two private clouds are combining. We are combining private cloud with the public cloud, private cloud with the community cloud, or public cloud with the community cloud. Any combination may be possible. That remains unique entities, but that are bound together by standardized technologies enabling data and application portability. We can take an example of hybrid cloud deployment consisting of an organization deploying two types of application on a cloud. One is non-critical application and another one is critical applications. When we talk about the non-critical applications, we can deploy it on a public cloud while keeping critical applications and sensitive data into it. We can keep it inside the private cloud in its premises. Means that depending on the importance of applications or criticalness of the applications, we can choose any type of cloud deployment models, or we can choose combination of both, combination of all three deployment models to form the hybrid cloud, where we can store critical and non-critical informations on a separate cloud deployment model. Cloud burst is a feature which make hybrid cloud distinct from other cloud deployment models. Cloud burst generally refers to the dynamic deployment of an application that, while running mainly on an organization's internal infrastructure, can also be deployed on the cloud on the demand. Vendor providing facility of cloud burst also facilitating self-service mechanism to handle cloud burst. There are so many benefits of using the hybrid cloud, since hybrid cloud provides balance of security and convenience. It is flexible and scalable as per the need of the user, since store we can store the critical and non-critical applications on various types of cloud depending on the importance of the application or data. It is cost effective because using public cloud features becoming widely popular due to the demand. It has some drawbacks also. Since it is hybrid, it is a combination of one or more cloud deployment model. It may technically more complex than public cloud in implementation and management. Maintenance cost and IT expertise is needed for private portion of the cloud, mainly used for medium and large scale organization, not fit for individual users. Thank you.